Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download Elden Ring to your PC or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your browser. Of course, you could go ahead and use any browser if you want to. Inside, just go ahead and search google.com, and you want to go ahead and search for Steam. Now, Steam is a very popular video game distributor service and it is completely trusted. This is the only way that you could go ahead and get the Elden Ring game. So to proceed, you want to go ahead and open up their official website right here, and inside you will be prompted right through their login page. Of course, you want to go ahead and create a new account if you don't have any account yet on Steam, and after logging in your account, just go ahead and look for Install Steam. You could go ahead and see that right beside your profile icon. After clicking the Install Steam button, you will then be prompted to this page right here, and after clicking the Install Steam blue button, you will then be able to download the Steam file. Now, just go ahead and install that file and then you will be able to install Steam. So, go ahead and open it up and you will be prompted right through their main store page right here. You want to go ahead and search for Elden Ring. Just go ahead and locate your game. In our case, we are looking for Elden Ring, so this is the first one right here. And to go ahead and purchase and buy this game, just go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find the Buy Elden Ring message. Of course, you have another options right here, Buy Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree, which is the DLC of this game. Or you could just go ahead and buy the main game and the DLC of that game. To proceed, you want to go ahead and select your preferred version. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the Buy Elden Ring right here. Click on View My Cart and then you will be able to purchase Elden Ring right here. To proceed, you want to go ahead and click on Continue to Payment, and in that way, you will be able to download and play Elden Ring into your computer or laptop. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.